Art Diaries presents Leena Chetri's Art Diaries by Lee. Hello everyone. Welcome aboard. In today's video we are going to learn how to make trash art. Materials required are A4 sheet, pencil and eraser, black pen and crayons. So let's begin. So here I have my A4 sheet, pencil, pen, crayons and an eraser. So we are going to make eyes first. So first we are going to make a leaf-like structure and extend it into a wavy line and make another leaf structure on the end. Then we are going to start giving it outline like this. Remember, it should be uneven and a little bit rough. After making our droopy eyes, we are going to put 2 circles for eyeballs like this in both the eyes, while giving it another circle inwards, a flower-like structure on the outside and a weird shape inside. Like here I am drawing a diamond, and in the other one I am going to draw another circle. Remember, the drawing is known as trash art, so nothing here needs to be perfect. Give it a little bit proppering and a little bit details. After that, we are going to make another wavy line and draw a little scribble in the end to make the nose area. Then we are going to make the outer part of the nose like this. We are going to make 3 semicircles and then darken the portions in between to make the nose. And then we are going to make an oval over the scribbled area to show the shadowed part, and we are going to give little lines on the tip of the nose to make it look like shadow. After that, we are going to make 2 uneven lines under the nose, which will join it with our lips. The upper lip should be dark in shade, so make a dark, thick line, and underneath that, a thinner line to make the lips. And then again extend it and do a little scribble like this. Now we are going to give this person a pair of specs. After making the base of it, we are going to shade it into a deeper tone. Now starting from the end of the specs, we are going to make the face. The face should be again uneven and join it on the chin. In the same way, we are going to do the other half of the face, starting it from the bottom of the specs and ending it at the chin. And for the head, we are going to join the top corner of one specs to the other top corner like this. And from the bottom of the specs, again we are going to make ears to this curve like this. Again, from here we are going to make the other ear towards the end. Again, as I am saying, the drawing does not have to be perfect. This drawing is supposed to be uneven. So remember that carefully. Then we are going to make eyebrows. For that we are going to just make some zigzag lines and the eyebrows should look bushy. Now on the cheek area we are going to put 2 spirals like this to make the blush, and then we are going to shade the upper portion of the nose. The base drawing, we are going to use a pen and outline the whole drawing. We are going to make hair by using the pen, and again the hair should be very uneven. We are going to make small details like freckles, then we are going to make earrings. Then we are going to take our colors. We will use the pink color to make the blush and the green color to make details over the eye. Use a tissue paper to mush up the colors. Use the green color on the upper eyelids and on the lips like this. Give it some desired details and your trash art is ready. Now the final look. Goodbye and thanks for watching.